Somewhere between the mountains of Iraq lies a place untouched by time, untouched by noise. Welcome to Kurdistan. This land is not just beautiful, it's peaceful, raw, and real. The people live simply, the air is pure, and the views, they'll stay with you forever. In Kurdistan, every guest is family. Every smile is real. You don't just visit this place, you feel it. This is not a tourist spot. This is a hidden paradise.
No filters, no crowds.
Just you and the earth.
세상에서 제일 행복한 순간 널 만나고 매일 겪게 돼.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos.